assumptions for the various IoT things and standardized frameworks for interoperability between the different platforms. So this is the conclusion for our presentation. Like blockchain is very essential for the IoT enhancements in nowadays, and for that security and scalability is a challenge thereof. So future focus would be for the optimization and interoperability in between them. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you for me giving this opportunity. I am Bhushan Majan from CSA Department and IT. Our topic will be the future of computing, a deep dive into cloud-based systems. The presentations overview. The first one is abstract. Second, importance. The third one is introductions. The fourth one is system architectures. Fifth one is flowcharts of encryption function process. Sixth one is flowchart decryption function process. Seventh, proposals of workflow. Eight's advantages. Abstract. Okay. The core features will be how to encrypt the file from the data to as a original prompt, as a, such as a binary language 0 ones. The file encryption using a standard which is advanced encryption standards algorithm we will use. That is a blockchains for secure payments and transactions logging. So any examples about that? IBM has different, then Azure have different, then AWS has different blockchain technology. Then we should apply cryptocurrencies to enable payment gateway, such as cryptocurrencies like Doge, then have Bitcoins as a specific way. Then decentralize immutable uh, ledger from transparency to how to decentralize and monetization this process of encryption and decryption process as well. We recognize that this is a flowcharts of encryption process functions. We have to firstly start to select the files to encrypt to the as original data to 0 ones, to have entered the passwords and secrets key. Then we should uh, files encrypted successfully, and that is the flowcharts of process functions of encryptions. And then a flowcharts of decryption process functions. It is like to also start it is a decrypt to original data, then select the files of encrypt and such as a secret password key at a user password key. Then you have applied to files encrypted successfully as well, and you should end the data. It is like process functions of decryption. This is purpose of workflow. The first one is encryption process. Files encrypted before uploaded, then secret key generated and share only with authorized users. And it is a decryption process. Users enter the correct key, access files. That is the way of it is user to assist unauthorized assist as a unauthorized access to the block as the given way. Then advantages enhance to security. Encryption ensures data confidentiality, integrity and availability such way. This is a blockchain prevents unauthorized access. The second one is decentralized system, remove third party dependence. It is means use like such as third party apps, such means in scenario Vivo stores, then Terabox in such application. That's the third party applications. The direct peer to peer transactions from users to interact with them. The third one is transparency and integrity. Immutable ledger from tracking transactions to the anyone transactions, and it is actually said to the author from pricing and earn directly from these given directions. What about the limitations? Increased complexity, requires user knowledge and blockchains in encryption. Users have required to the specific way of blockchains and the encryption file. So the cost of implementation is high. So blockchain and cryptocurrency transaction may incur from fees. Then performance overheads, encryption and decryption process, increase computational load. The such scenario of in cases of AWS as a services of Lambda S3 as a given way. Then the file size growth, encrypted files consumes as a more storage like data has ensure. What about the key findings? The major insight from our research is enhanced security, blockchain integration ensure data integrity and protections. Then decentralization advantage eliminates single points of failure, reducing cyber threats. Then encryptions, the AES based standard, advanced based standard, encryptions, enhanced data confidentiality, and it is used also to integrity as way. The smart contracts automate access control, reducing human interventions risks. And then cloud scalability, seamless integration with Azure for better performance. Azure like or more cloud computing systems like AWS, then Google Cloud such way. Their performance metrics improving encryption speed and secure storage, fast access from everyone anywhere. Then challenges high initial setup costs and complexity in blockchain adoptions. So the result and discussion is implementation highlights deployment on Azure App Services, transaction facilitated using the metric network MetalMark wallet, and the performance metrics is such as the encryptions and decryption times vary with their file size, and rapid decryption compared with from an encryption as compared to, and that is a future works of these systems. The scalability improvements, it is integrate content delivery network from user to user, that is CDN. It is then large scale deployment optimization for millions of users to use as a cloud services storage. Then enhanced features like support for advanced file formats and larger data sets through such as a AWS. The conclusion will be proposed blockchain based file sharing system ensure to secure and direct transactions to through that peer-to-peer connections, and then eliminates intermediates to improve data and integrity. Such as way final thought is these methods offer promising future for secure and efficient to cloud-based systems. That's it. Cloud service. Cloud service broker means that is a third party applications will provide that. Cloud service broker. Oh no, sir. Hmm. Encryptions and like HTTPs, then peer-to-peer connections mode, and the decryption will be the such as huh? In AW in that cloud base decryptions. What I say?